y'all, welcome to my channel. I haven't done a proper introduction yet, so for those of you who do not know me, my name is AIR-ee-AHN-uh. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to do that below. Today we'll be doing an easy video that I promise you any lady can do. We'll be doing our nails, like a gel manicure at the salon, but at home. It can be done in 5 to 10 minutes, no lie. 5 to 10 minutes. I did this and it literally looks like a gel manicure. So yes, girl, let's get into this video. So the products you will need is a cuticle cutter, a file, and a buffer. So to start off, we're going to start off by filing our nails down. Prior to this, I had cut my nails down pretty short, for one, because they were already ripping off. So if you know of any products that will help my nails stay a little bit stronger, leave those in the comments, please. But yeah, and I needed to cut them down anyways because the nails that we will be using are of shorter length. So the next step you want to do is buff your nails down. Make sure you do that to both of your hands. Just to get that nail bed down even in case you had any recent products or acrylic on them. And then this is my favorite and most important part, cutting down our cuticles and getting all that extra skin off that we don't need. That's what's going to make the foundation of this press-on nail look like it is coming out of your natural nail bed. And I don't know if you can tell, but I really don't have that much extra skin around there, so I'm just doing the parts that I do think need to be removed and just going over it just in case. And you want to do this step to both hands. Do not forget this step, ladies. It's important. So to start off, you do want to make sure that every nail fits your nail bed perfectly. Don't just start putting nails on your fingers, girl. And this process doesn't really take that long, but you do want to make sure that you are precise and that every nail does match the size of your natural nail. And the thing is, once you find the perfect nail for one nail, there are numbers on these nails that will make it easy for you to just find the matching one to the opposite hand. Instead of keep going through the whole thing looking for the numbers. But the thing was, I was having a little bit of a hard time looking at the numbers with my blind ass. But yeah, if you can see like perfectly, just save yourself the trouble and find the matching number. I'm just a perfectionist and I have to make sure that it still fits the other hand. So now I'll just let you guys watch. And if you already have the product, then you can just do this step with me. So now we're going to get into the last two important steps before we get to pressing those nails on, girl. So it does come with a thing that pushes back your cuticles. It comes with a file. We've already got past that. And it comes with an alcohol pad. If you do not have an alcohol pad, use your own pad and your own alcohol that you have at your house. This is so important. this is so important. It's going to keep all the products and oils off that you had on your hands, like lotion, and this is what's going to make the nail stick and stay tacky even longer. So make sure you do that to both of your hands. Do not forget to do it to both of your hands. Then you want to push those cuticles back. This is also an important factor of making the nail look natural and like it is coming out of your own nail bed. So now's the fun part. So you want to start off by taking the adhesive sticker, pulling that back, making sure it's as close to your cuticle as possible. And I do move my finger around and hold it for at least 5 to 10 seconds just to make sure that this nail ain't going nowhere, you know? And so you don't mess up, make sure that you are taking the little tab of the adhesive, and that part is what goes onto the bottom of your nail. Make sure the tab, like I said, is at the bottom and not at the top. If you put it at the top, you're going to be wondering, why is this nail shaped weird? Why it don't fit? But yeah. So you're just going to go through and do that on all of your nails. Make sure you're lining it up even so you don't have any mess ups. We want these nails to look as natural as possible, honey, okay? So yeah, if you have these products, you can go ahead and watch me do this and do it along with me, or just watch and you can come back and do it later. Done, sis. Yes. Look at these nails looking like we just came straight up from out of the salon. For $8? Okay. So sis, I promise you that everywhere you go, you're going to get compliments on your nails when you're paying for stuff. Yes. Everybody's going to be like, oh my gosh, I love your nail color. Those are so cute. Where do you get your nails done? It happens to me all the time. And dead ass, be honest with them and be like, girl, these is press-ons. It's a game changer. These press-on nails is gonna come back we're going to be saving our money, and we're going to be doing stuff ourselves. We're going to slay all day. Thank you guys for watching. If you'd like to see me do a tutorial on lengths that are longer, leave comments below. I appreciate everyone that's here watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that. And I'll see you guys the next time in my next video.